Hello and welcome back to Cozy Corner Crafts, and today we're going to be doing an Indigenous craft, and this one is a ribbon skirt and a ribbon shirt, and they're very important. Okay, so the ribbon skirt, which is connected with being a woman in Indigenous communities, tells the story of adaptation, which means changing and learning and survival. Mainly how tribal communities have adopted Western things and made it their own. Their skirts are worn in traditional ceremonies and other places to show how proud the wearers are being Indigenous. And that was adapted from the LeechLakeNews.com. And the ribbon shirt is for men, are popular, worn with jeans or pants or all types of special gatherings, and they've been adapted into the powwow dance regalia in some places. And this was from beyondbuckskin.com. Okay, and we'll have a link so you guys can find out some more information about that. So how we're going to do this? So we have this skirt, and we have a shirt. So you're going to get those in your craft kits, and you're going to get, these are for the skirt, but you can put them on the shirt too, okay? And then we have these for the shirt. So what we're going to do first is, the skirt can be any color that you would like to. From what I've seen, it doesn't matter what color it is. The special part is the ribbons on it. So I'm going to use purple, and I am going to color my skirt first. Can you see that? So I'm just going to color it. And I'm not coloring very well, am I? I bet you guys are a lot better colors. Oh, by the way, if you have paints at home, why not paint your skirt? And I'm going to do a little bit more down here. And if you look online for ribbon shirts or ribbon skirts, they have some beautiful skirts, and they are so beautiful. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my glue. You get to use white glue this time if you have it. And I'm going to make a line and then put my first ribbon down. And you might need some scissors. Okay, so let's start. We're going to do opposite the rainbow. So we have our red, then we'll put another one. So I just finished putting glue on it. Not looking very pretty. And maybe I need a little bit more glue. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just finish coloring this in a little bit. Like I said, you guys are going to probably do it a lot better than I did. So that is our ribbon skirt, which is very pretty, hey? Okay, so now we're going to do the men's shirt. So the women's skirt we did across the whole bottom. Now for the guy's shirt, you can actually do a little different, okay? So let me show you the shirt. So here's the shirt. So you could color it, or you could paint it if you have paints. Now, instead of going across the bottom for the ribbon shirt, it actually goes across here, right across the chest. So let's put, hopefully I can get this straight across. Usually it's right across there. Almost correct. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put one across each sleeve. Okay, so I'm going to put a red across here. Oops, I didn't cut it quite short enough. And one across here. There. Okay, so I think I'm going to put one more color across too. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this craft. We'll see you again on Thursday for Cozy Corner Stories. And if you make some beautiful ribbon shirts or skirts, because you're going to get one in each one, I'd love to see your pictures. And we'll talk to you guys soon. Bye, everybody.